You could see houses, we could see it from across there, houses going out to the main creek and going down to the bridge. I saw at least 4 myself, and but the big problem was it hit so quick, so fast, there was no equipment here to get to the people. From what I understand, there's about 7 houses over on Mill Hill Drive that actually washed away. I think there's 4 up on this end of the street, Crescent Avenue. Seymour go to the back porch. Where you at?
Lunch is just way too early. They should have it about 2 o'clock.
We still got time. We can deliver.
We didn't do
Do you want me to bring it to us? Tell me what you want and we're gonna go to
Well, we had 39 inches in the main part of the funeral home, and the chapel was an add-on. This used to be an old farmhouse at one time, but the chapel is lower. It's a good foot lower than the rest of this floor, and so we had just remodeled. We had new carpet tiles put down, and we'd painted and new molding, and we were very excited, and we got to look at it for about a week. The number of people that have come to volunteer, and you know, not just from in town, although I've been humbled by that as well. You know, my first response is, oh, we've got it, but this was overwhelming. There was too much for me and my 3 guys to be able to pull these pews out and do all this work. So the response has been humbling. To go up the street and see the devastation. I mean, it's so widespread. You know, this isn't just a few homes. You know, this is virtually every business in Raynell that has been affected. It's just overwhelming. I really can't put it into words what it feels like.
It's bad. I mean, it's grim, but we'll be okay. But right now, that they're really just getting to the point of getting in the houses and trying to get them dried out, get the furniture out and the carpets up, and we have houses that they've already had to condemn, and I think they've torn down 6 today. And that's going to continue, and we're not here for a week. This is going to be several weeks.